Welcome students. Today we are teach about Boolean algebra and logic gates in the subject of digital electronics, that is run in 4 semester in electrical engineering, mechanical engineering and civil engineering, 4 semester. Okay. Boolean algebra. What is a Boolean algebra and logic gates? Boolean algebra deal with logical operations. What is a logical operation? Logical operations such as ORing, ANDing and NOT gate on logical basics. Logical variables may assume either two values, that is true or false, or we can say it is logical 1 and logical 0. Boolean algebra जो है वो लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस के लिए अप्लाई होता है. लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस क्या है? एंडिंग, ऑरिंग और नॉट गेट्स. इनके लिए जो algebra यूज हो रही है that is called Boolean algebra. The electronic circuit which are used to realize basic logic operations are called logic gates. Okay, what is a logic gate? Electronic circuit जो कि यूज्ड होते हैं फॉर द रिलाइज ऑफ बेसिक लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस. ओके. बूलियन एल्जेब्रा जैसे मैथमेटिकल अलजेब्रा होती है वैसे ही हमारी बूलियन एल्जेब्रा है फॉर द लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस. सो बूलियन एल्जेब्रा आल्सो associate with laws and theorems. Okay, let's start with familiar with laws and basic theorems. Laws of Boolean algebra. Okay, first one is associative law. What is this? A plus B plus C. If they are three variables, the sum of three variables are right here. A plus bracket के अंदर B plus C is equivalent to A plus B bracket 1 plus C. That is called associative law. For the summing and for the product terms, A dot bracket के अंदर B dot C equivalent to A dot B bracket 1 dot C. हम A plus B plus C को इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं और A dot B dot C को A dot B dot C लिख सकते हैं. That is called associative law. Second one is commutative law. What is this? Y equal to A plus B. Then we can also write or its equivalent to B plus A. Okay. In form of product, A dot B is equivalent to B dot A. Okay. Next law is distributive law. What is this? A dot B plus C is equivalent to A dot B plus A dot C. These are basic law of Boolean algebra. Associative law, commutative law and distributive law. Students, ये तीनों law D के basic laws है. इन्हें भी practically apply करनी है with the number of examples. Okay, इन्हें याद कर लीजिए. Basic theorems. Okay, for ending on ORing. First one is if a variable is odd with 0, the output is equal to the variable. Means यदि किसी वेरिएबल, एग्जाम्पल फॉर वेरिएबल A है, उसको ऑड किया जाए विद द 0, मीन्स सम विद 0. ऑड मीन्स समेशन A plus 0 is always equal to A, means always equal to the variable. Variable is A. Okay. Second theorem is if a variable is odd with 1, the output is always equal to 1. यदि हमने वेरिएबल A को ऑड किया 0 से तो always we getting the variable A. But if we are odd the variable A with 1, then always it's equivalent to 1. How? Let's see. A plus 1 equal to 1. Okay. Let's consider A equal to 0. If A equal to 0, A equal to 0 means 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. And next case, if A equal to 1 means 1 plus 1 is also 1. A is a binary because it is a binary number. So it having the two value, that is a true or false. It means 0 or 1. if a equal to 0 or a equal to 1, in both condition we are getting its a plus 1 always equivalent to 1. Okay. Next one, if a variable is ANDed with 0, the output will be always 0. यदि किसी वेरिएबल a को ANDed means मल्टीप्लाई ANDed किया जाए तो हमें ऑलवेज 0 मिलेगा. ओके, a डॉट 0. इट्स आल्सो प्रूफ बाय टैकिंग द वेरिएबल a इक्वलेंट टू 0 और a इक्वलेंट टू 1. एक बार a की वैल्यू 0 रख के देख लीजिए, एक ही बार 1 रख के दीजिए, and then get the output that is always equal to 0. If a variable is ANDed with 1, यदि किसी वेरिएबल को 1 से ANDed किया जाए, output will always equal to the that variable. वही वेरिएबल वापस मिलेगा. How? देखिए, a dot 1, a ANDed with 1. If we take the value of a equivalent to 0, means 0 dot 1. Okay, then always getting to 0. But here we are ANDed with 1. यदि 1 से उस वेरिएबल को किया जाए तो वही वेरिएबल मिलेगा. If a equal to 0, then we get the 0. 0 is the value of variable a. If a equal to 1, then 1 dot 1 is always equivalent to 1. Means a is 1 is variable of a. So it is proof that if a variable is ANDed with 1, output will always equal to the variable. Next one is, if a variable is odd with same variable, the output will be the same variable. Okay, the a plus a oring with a, that we get always a. If variable a is ANDed with itself, output will be the same variable. यदि a dot a किया जाए तो always we getting the a. Okay. Next theorem is, when a variable is odd with the complement of that variable, the output will be 1. यदि एक वेरिएबल a है और उसको odd किया जाए with that complement of that variable means a bar, then we get the 1. कैसे? If a equal to 0. Okay, if a equal to 0, then a bar equal to 1. 0 plus 1, we getting the 1. If a equal to 1, means 1 plus 0, we always getting 1. Hence proof. When a variable is ANDed with complement of that variable, the output will be always equal to 0. a dot a bar equal to 0. इसे प्रूफ करने के लिए a की वैल्यू पुट की दी 0. a की वैल्यू 0 रखेंगे तो a बार 1 हो गया, बट 0 डॉट 1 is we getting to 0. If a equal to 1, then 1 dot 0 is always equal to 0. Next, 9th number, the complement of a variable is equal to the variable itself. यदि किसी complement variable, example for a bar, that is a complement of variable a, is complement again, means a bar का एक बार और बार लिया जाए, then we get the original variable, that is a. Okay. Next, theorem number 10. a plus ab equal to a. a plus ab को हम लिख सकते हैं a. कैसे? a plus ab में से हम a कॉमन निकालें, बचेगा 1 plus b. देखिए 1 plus b, यदि b की वैल्यू 0 रखेंगे तो 1 plus 0 is 1. यदि 1 plus 1, b की वैल्यू 1 रखेंगे तो 1 plus 1 is always 1. मीन्स ये जो ब्रैकेट में 1 plus b है, इसकी होल वैल्यू हुई इक्वलेंट टू 1 फॉर द बोथ केस, b equal to 0 and b equal to 1. So we can say this equivalent to only a. Hence proof a plus ab is equivalent to a. Okay. Next, theorem number 11. a plus a bar b is equivalent to a plus b. a plus a bar b को हम लिख सकते हैं a plus b. राइट, यहाँ देखिए x plus y z, it also a rule or theorem. It can be write as x plus y and x plus z. Using this theorem, we can write this. Okay, we can say a plus a bar and a plus b. A plus a bar is equivalent to 1, so we get the a plus b, and hence proof a plus a bar be equivalent to a plus b. Okay students, next theorem is a plus b bracket bun, next bracket a plus c is equivalent to a plus bc. Okay, इसे हम पहले ही पढ़ चुके हैं, that is x plus yz. We can write a plus b and a plus c. Okay, next theorem is De Morgan's theorem. It is very important theorem in the Boolean algebra. De Morgan state divided into two parts. First one is complement of the product of two or more variable is equivalent to the sum of the complement of each variable. क्या मतलब है? Complement of the product of two or more product. Here see a plus b two variable है, इनकी complement है. ये लिखा हुआ है complement of the product of two a dot b का complement variable और more complements a dot b dot c का whole bar is equivalent to the sum of the complement of each variable. Means we can say it is right as a bar plus b bar plus c bar plus d bar and so on. If a dot b dot c dot d bar का whole bar. This is the first part. Okay students, clear? यदि a dot b dot का whole bar है, then we can write it's in the form of complement of each variable in the summation a bar plus b bar. Okay, next part of De Morgan theorem is that the complement of the sum of two or more variable is equivalent to the product of the complement of each variable. उसका just opposite, वो product था, यहाँ पे sum है, यहाँ पे product form है, यहाँ पे हमने sum form लिया है. a plus b का whole bar, we can say it is equivalent to a bar plus b bar plus c bar and so on if we have number of variables in the summation form. Okay, this is the De Morgan theorem, or it is very important theorem in our syllabus. We have the one example, solve a plus b c bar का whole bar using the De Morgan theorem. De Morgan theorem की help से solve a plus b c bar का whole bar using the De Morgan theorem. Okay, देखिए यहाँ पे De Morgan theorem लिखा है, ये sum form में है. ठीक है, we can say right, इसे कैसे लिख सकते हैं? प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में, यानी a बार डॉट बी सी बार का होल बार, यही लिख सकते हैं हम इसके सेकंड पार्ट से. अब देखिए a बार, इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? फर्स्ट पार्ट से b और डॉट c बार का होल बार है. वी कैन से राइट बी सी बार प्लस c बार का c बार, दैट इज c. if a complement of any variable is complemented again, that we get the original variable, so it is c. Next, a bar b bar plus a bar c. Okay, a bar is common, that we get the b bar plus c. It is the answer of this question using the De Morgan theorem. Next one is find the complement of the Boolean function. Boolean function is a b bar plus a bar plus a b. इसका हमें find the complement, इसका पूरे का पूरे हमें लेना है complement. We take the full complement of this function and solve out the using the theorems.